Jacob and Ilana. Today, you begin your life together. It's clear to me, and I'm sure all those present, that you are both destined for one another.
You know, Jake, we've loved you from the moment we saw you. And we love Ilana because of who she is and as the other half of you.
As you can imagine, we are all very protective of Ilana.
Feels so cute.
But he was brave and ended up fitting right in. And now I can proudly say that he is one of us.
I introduced them and gave Jacob the minimal nudge he needed to ask Ilana on her first date.
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you.
From there, they've been together through thick and thin. Your wedding isn't the culmination of your relationship, but simply the next stage. One which we can all be certain that you're prepared for.
Endow us with the strength to be ever sensitive to each other, and may the blessing of companionship rest upon us always.
So time came when Ilana went to college, and one day she introduced us to Jacob. He was so charming and kind, especially when he said he wants to spend the rest of the life with Ilana.
And in accordance with laws of the state of Texas, you, Jacob, and you, Ilana, are now husband and wife. Mazel tov.
I knew almost immediately into them dating that Ilana was the one. I just remember how beautiful and fun that Ilana was, and how amazing it was to see a softer side of Jacob come through for Ilana.
It was clear as day that he loves her wholly and unconditionally, so I couldn't ask for anyone better to be marrying my best friend.
If I would have chance to ask God for better daughter, I'm sure God would answer me, then this is impossible. And from her first day until my last day, I love and will unconditionally love you always. I see love in your eyes, so I wish you to love each other forever.
So it's always a special feeling when you see your friends become another kind of family. So cheers to the bride and the groom and everyone who has been looking forward to this day for so long because we knew it was meant to be.